Hello, welcome back to the channel. 2 weeks back, I have created a video on calculating RSI or Relative Strength Index using Google Sheets. And in that video, I have got some request on creating monthly and weekly RSI. So in this video, we will go through how to create weekly and monthly RSI of a particular stock. But before that, do you know you can get all the information about a particular stock directly in the Google Sheets? Let me show you how. In the screen, you can see that I have selected a stock, SBI, where I am getting all the information about a stock. And thus, I don't have to look into any charts or Google it as such. I can get information like current market price, which is 802.3, how much it has changed from the last day. So that means last closing day was something, and what is the today's price and how much it has changed. It has been in the green or it has been in the red. What is the price, low price, and what is the high price? What is the market capitalization? What is the price to earnings? What is the 52-week high and 52-week low of that particular stock? And then what is the earning per share? I have also calculated the 10-day DMA, that is daily moving average, 20 DMA, 50 DMA and 200 DMA, and how much the current market price has been changed from its 10 DMA, 20 DMA, 50 DMA and 200 DMA. If you see that the 50 DMA is 826.24, that means the current market price is less than its 50 DMA, whereas the 200 DMA is 753 and its current market price is more than its 200 DMA, and how much percentage it has been more. Now coming to the daily RSI, weekly RSI and monthly RSI. So the daily RSI I have already shown you in the previous video, so I'll not go through that daily RSI. We'll go through the weekly RSI and monthly RSI. But for the sake of completion of this sheet, I have kept the daily RSI also. So you can see in the daily RSI, I have calculated the RSI and then getting the data out here. For weekly RSI, what I have done is, instead of taking the daily data, I am taking the weekly data. See, in the daily RSI, when we get the data from the Google Finance, we take every day, that is, see, 27th 9, 26th 9, 25th 9, and everyday data we are getting. But for weekly RSI, what we have to do is we have to take the weekly closing day. So if you see that I'm taking the data from 2023-1-1 and I'm taking the weekly, that means every week I will be getting the close price, and then based on that I'm calculating the RSI. The calculation of the weekly RSI is similar to that of daily RSI. That means we will be calculating the difference between the previous week and the this week like this, if it is a negative or positive. If it is positive, we will be keeping the positive value, otherwise it's a 0. Similarly, if it is a negative, we will be keeping the negative value but in the positive manner, and if it is a positive, that means 0. So, and then after that we will be calculating the 14-day RSI calculation from the positive values. Similarly, 14-day RSI value from the negative value, and then calculate the relative strength of a particular day. And then at the last, I'll calculate the RSI of the weekly. Similarly, if I go to the monthly RSI, the thing is we don't get the monthly values, monthly closing values from the Google Finance. So what I have done is I have calculated, let me show you that I have hidden these 3 columns. What I have done is I have taken the daily ones and then I have taken which is the month starting day. Okay, so if you see, I am getting all the month starting day. For that I have kept a formula like this, that if it is not a month starting day, then make it blank, otherwise give the value. And then after that what I have done is I am only taking the month starting day and then what is the closing day of that, and then the formula is again similar to that of daily and weekly, where I am calculating what is the difference between these two. If it is positive, keep the positive value. If it is negative, keep the negative value but in positive manner. and then calculate the 14-day RSI, calculate the 14-day RSI of the positive values, calculate the 14-day RSI of the negative values, get the RS, that is relative strength per day, and then find the relative strength index of the whole monthly. So this is what the today's video is all about. I have given you the overview of how to calculate the weekly RSI as well as how to calculate the monthly RSI, and then I have also shown you how we can get all the information about the stock data directly in the Google Sheets from the Google Finance. Thank you. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on personal finance and wealth building. Thank you.